hear this expression very often. Hands-on training, hands-on learning, hands-on approach, hands-on experience, etc. But what does it mean? It is an adjective placed before a noun, meaning having a direct involvement, having direct intervention, offering active participation rather than theory. Hands-on in service training.
Hands-on experience refers to knowledge or skill that someone gets from doing something rather than just reading about it.
Example sentences. The seminar will provide hands-on experience for all its participants. Many of the skills and techniques can only be learned in a practical, hands-on context. There was also a desire for increased levels of hands-on experience.
A hands-off policy or approach to something consists of not being personally or directly involved in it.
The new government keeps a traditional hands-off attitude toward big business. When parents neglect their children, we can call it hands-off parenting. Hands-off can also be used as a warning not to touch or interfere with something. Hands off the cake. Please note the use of hand without s. Hand-on is a phrasal verb. It means one passed something to the next person in a series or succession. He had handed on the family farm to his son.
In a ball match, when we use handoff, it becomes a noun, meaning an exchange made by handing the ball to a teammate. If this video has taught you something, let's have a handoff now. Thank you.
And let's say I hit him and I'm coming off a handoff, which a handoff is getting more and more in common, really overseas is dominating. Left hand, there you go.